Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to share jobs on JobStreet, but first I wanted to tell you that don't forget to subscribe because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my YouTube revenue statistics and my growth strategy, how you can make money online. So first open the app, and after that if you saw a job that you think that would interest other people, your friend or your family member, then you can share that job description and the job information through the app very easily. If you click on the name of that job, then you can see at the top right corner that arrow icon. Click on that, and now you can see that you can share this job through messages, messenger, gmail, and so on. So this is a really great way to share information, to share jobs with other people if you think that that job would be great for other people. I hope this video was helpful for you. If it was, please consider subscribing and see you in the next one. Bye bye.